Welcome, my dear friends. So today we'll discuss new topic in this video, that is logarithm. So this topic class 9 and class 10 advanced mathematics students will get, and afterwards in general mathematics of class 11, 12 and higher studies this topic you'll be getting. Okay, so let's see what is this logarithm. So log, if you break this number logarithm, see here logarithm. So log means in Latin word word. Okay, proportions or ratio, and also rule. Okay, arithmetic means arithmetic. So arithmetic again is a mathematical calculation. Okay, so what we are basically going to discuss here, rule of arithmetic means a new rule to simplify some maths. Okay, what type of maths? Let us see here. So if I ask you what will be the cube root of 729, so you will be easily say it is 9, and cube root of 27, again you will be saying it is 3. If I say what will be cube root of 3, then there comes question mark, so you will be not be able to find the answer easily or in a one go. So again let's come to another one. If I say 3 square, you friends will say 9. 3 cube, again you will be saying 27, but when we say 3 to the power 100, what is the answer? Again question marks. So we have the answer, but it will take, but we don't know the method of calculating. So this type of questions normally logarithm helps us to find the answer. Okay, now how the logarithm looks like. So this is the way the logarithm look like, and this is read in this way: log m to base a is equal to x. So these are the ways of reading. Logarithm of m with base a is x. So logarithm of m to base a is x. So this first sentence, in short, we say log m to base a is 3. Log m to base a is 3. Okay, and these are two other ways. You pause the video, note down in copy and read. Okay, now let us consider a real positive number. Okay, we are considering a real positive number. A real positive number. Now this real positive number you can express in two forms. One is exponential form and one is logarithm form. Already you are familiar with exponential form. Okay, let us see. Now say 49, which is a real positive number. This 49 you can write as 7 square. Now this 7 square is what? Exponential form, where 7 is a base and 2 is known as power or exponent or index, whichever word you feel free you can say. Okay, and another way of expressing this 49 is this: log 49 to base 7 is 2. That means 7 if raised by power 2, answer will come 49. What I'm saying, I'm repeating it. 7 if raised by 2 is 49. So this is another way to express any positive natural number. Log 49 to 7 is 2. Okay, so this is called logarithm form. Now let us try to understand the relation between the exponential form and logarithm form. Now see, 7 square is a question mark, and you friends, if I ask you, you'll be saying it is 49. Okay, again if I say what will be raised the power of 7 so that it is 49, your answer will be 2. And now if I ask this exponential form in this way, what is the power of 7? So the answer comes 49. So this way of telling what is the power, that means I am focusing in the word power. Okay. Okay, I am focusing in the word power. So what is the power of 7? So that we get 49. So this way of expressing an exponential is called logarithm. So in another word, we can say logarithm is inverse of exponential function. Okay, so in another way, we can say logarithm is inverse of exponential function. So if it's a what is the power of 7, means 7 raised by what power, it gives 49, answer is 2. Now the finding of this power 2 is called logarithm. Okay, so that means we can express the same saying in this way: log 49 to base 7 is a question mark. That means what? For what power of 7, if you raise it, then it gives 49. So again the answer is 2. Okay, I think you got some concept between the logarithm and exponent. Okay, now that we can write in this way. Okay, before we go this, so please like the video and share the video, also subscribe the video and ring the bell icon so that whenever I upload video, you'll get a notification in your mobile. Okay, now as we said, so any exponential form can be expressed in logarithm form. Let us see here. If we have exponential form, that is a raised by power x, the value is m. Same thing you can write log m to base a is equal to x. That means what? If a is raised by x, the value will come m. So this is the meaning of logarithm. Okay, let's come to the next slide. Sorry, next page. Now a to the power x is equal to n. This is the exponential form and this is the logarithm. Again, I'm saying how to express in logarithm form any exponential form, how you can express in logarithm form. So here see, base in the exponential base is a, in the logarithm also base a. Only the power will come in the RHS. Okay, and the number n, it will come here in this way, log n to base a is equal to x. That means what power of, sorry, if we raise the a by power x, the answer will come n. So this is the map. Okay, base power is equal to n. This is the exponential form, and same thing, see here, base here, base, same base here, this number will come here and the power will come in the RHS. Okay, now we have little idea about logarithm. Now we have two types of logarithm. One is called common logarithm whose base is 10, and another one is called natural logarithm whose base is e. You can see here 10, base 10 and base e, where e is 2.71828. Okay, note e is also known as Euler's number. Clear? So this is the little idea about logarithm. So later, next video we'll learn about the properties of logarithm, so applying which will be able to solve the problems. Means let's say 3 to the power 300 is equal to what is the answer, we can easily solve after knowing the properties. And log table, also log table. Now all the students, some questions should come in mind, like two questions I have pointed out. Like I have already mentioned before that for any positive number, means any positive number can be expressed. That means n, we are talking about n. So n is real positive. Why? Okay, second question, base. The base is, in logarithm, base is always taken positive and also it is not equal to 1. Clear? Why? Now let us take this example. So log minus 27 to base 3 is a question. That means what? 3 will be raised by what power so that you get minus 27. See, 3 you raise by what power so that you get minus 27. If you raise 3 by 3, then it is 27, not minus 27. If you raise 3 by 1 by 3, that is not 27. If you raise 3 by minus 3, again that is 1 by 27, but not minus 27. That means when you have negative number, sometimes we find difficult. Okay, so to remove this conditional argument, the number is taken as positive real number, not negative real number. Okay, second one, base should be positive. Okay, why? Let us take a positive base here. If say power is fraction, that is half, you know, it is power half means it is root 2, again which is a real number, because we have already said the number must be real, positive real, which is a positive real, which satisfies the number condition. Okay, again if base is negative, which is a question, why base is not less than 0? If base is less than 0, see here minus 2, which is less than 0. If you raise by power half, what will be? It will become root minus 2. Now, which is not a real number. Those who are in class 9 and 10, you will know why this is not real number. This is called complex number. And class 11 students, hopefully they know what is this type of number. This type of number is called imaginary number. Let us give an idea. So which will be imaginary number? Any negative root. Okay, negative root. Let's say root minus 3. This is imaginary number. Root minus 4. All this type of are called imaginary number. These are not real number. Okay. I hope you understood. If you have doubt, you can leave your comment in the comment sections, and next video will be about the properties of logarithm. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like. Hit the like. Okay. Thank you.